Welcome to Cei-Tech, where we teach tech for students, teachers, and tech users and office workers. Okay, if you our previous class, we talked about sum if, and these are able to arrive. That I can actually use sum if to check total number of a particular element or product like Toyota, total number, and the rest of them. So today, in this class, we're going to talk about another interesting thing, which has to deal with count. How do you use count in Excel? Okay. So this is what we're talking about, count. Okay. So count enables you to count the highest number, total number, and stuff like that. For example, if I want to count the whole how many number of columns or rows I have, I can use count for that. So without much ado, let's clear this off so you can actually make use of count. So let's put here count. Count. So to work with count, same thing that we've been doing before now. Just write equals to first. Start with that. So come over here with my equals to sign. Then put your count. Then open your bracket first. Open your bracket. And then bring your mouse to where you want to count. You want to count from here down to the last part. This is it. Then I close the bracket. And I press enter. Of course, the count is 7. If you count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the total number is 7. That's why it's counted here. So you actually use count if you want to count numbers. Or if you want to count right up, like alphabet, like Toyota, Honda, so you want to count how many is this. Let's see if it will work. Let's go back to and use the same method. Click on it this time around. We don't want to. Let's clear all of this. Then let's start the counting from topmost as usual. Bring it down to the last. Release. Your Control Shift. Cover it up. Press Enter. What do you see? It says 0. But was this 0? No, it's still 7. It's 7 too. Why did it show me 0? Because you can't use count to count letters. Okay, you can only use the count if you're counting figures. So if you want to count letters, what do you use? In our next class, we're going to show you this in a jiffy. See you in our next class. And please don't forget to follow us, okay? We have full tutorial here. Follow us. We also have it on YouTube. We want to learn down on YouTube too. Kindly look at the link below. You see it or send us a message, DM us, and also take you to that class where we watch the tutorial complete video as well. See you in our next class, and thank you for hanging around with us today.